This is a short movie about the new database Workspace from LSEG. On your screen here you see the LibGuide Finding Data, which tells you a little bit about how things work, including that you need an account to access the Workspace platform and website. You can request that account through data support, and once you've done that, once you have an account, you can use either the website of Refinitiv or the software from Refinitiv to create quickly some charts if you want. Let's log in and show you how that works. There we go. Once you've logged into the website, it shows you where you were the last time you started. For some of you that will not be the charting app, it might start up at this screen, for instance, as an example. But if you want to go back to the chart option, you can always go to the top left corner where it says WS from Workspace. Click on the icon, go to the app library. You can always go to charting over there, as the category charting is shown on the left. You see here charting and some other charting options are available as different apps, and if you go back to charting, you see what was done the last time. The last time I apparently searched for an index. Let's make a new chart using two series, and we want to compare them, so we go to compare, and then we change the series that are shown. Benchmark. What I'm going to do is I'm going to search for a certain benchmark bond, for instance the 10-year bond from Germany, and I want to compare that to the Belgium benchmark, and yeah, let's choose this one. So now we have a new graph with two series compared. We can click the comparison back away by clicking the X. If you want to change the frequency in the time series, at the bottom there are some options. You can change the time frame with some default options, but you can also click on the period that is shown, and you can change the period to what you want it to be. For instance, if I want the data from the beginning of 2020, I'll change it to that until now, and you see immediately it changes the screen and shows you the new data in the new chart. There's other options. You can choose different templates. You can change the series it shows. You can also choose to not or to rebase stuff or not, to make them more comparable. So we can also say no, we don't want that, or we want to rebase it to 100, and then it will change the graph if we choose that. So let's go for on, and we go for the absolute price, and it changes it again. There's other options you can change. On the right side, the little icon that tells you you can go to change settings over here on the right. You can change other options over here. Depending on the series, there may be different options. Check out, you can make a different graph. If you want a different type of graph, you can choose that. If you want different frequencies, you can go for monthly if you prefer that. It's all up to you. If you want the data that underlies the graph, you use the little data table option, which is also available at the top. Then it shows you the data, and you can immediately export it to Excel. This concludes the small example.